Needing to magnetically mount some equipment to a work vehicle used to be straightforward, but with newer truck bodies being made out of aluminum, magnetically attaching something isn't as attractive as it used to be. But there is a solution. Try getting stuck to this week's featured product, the self-adhesive magnetic mount pad from Byers. More and more modern work trucks are having their cabs be made out of aluminum instead of steel. And thanks to that weight reduction, it helps with increased fuel efficiency, along with enhanced performance capabilities. But there is a small downside due to the switchover in building materials. Aluminum simply isn't magnetic. That causes these work trucks to lose their ability to use any magnetically mounted equipment, such as beacons, work lights, and in some cases, CB and ham radio antennas. In comes Byers with the answer and their magnetic mount pad. This little 3.5 by 3.5 inch pad is made out of a rugged piece of carbon steel and is powder coated black, which makes it resistant to corrosion, along with improved durability. On the back side, there are 2 strips of 3M self-adhesive tape that creates a semi-permanent bond once installed correctly. These strips will keep everything secure even during highway speeds. So, if you know of a work truck that needs to add some equipment but doesn't like the idea of permanently mounting it, look no further than this week's featured product, the self-adhesive magnetic mount pad from Byers. What solutions have you used to mount the lights to your work cab? Let's hear about it down in the comments. And be sure to check out more of our 100% Canadian content. Thanks for checking us out.